Please tell me your bathroom has this problem like mine.
It's this mouldy, flaky sealant. I just can't seem to get it right. Until I found this game-changer sealant you need to know about. And it's the new Hemway kitchen and bathroom sealant. And it's ultra strong and mould resistant. With Hemway, it's no longer a dreaded job. Let me show you how easy it is. First, you're going to cut the top and the bottom of the sealant. Then you're going to use a scraper to pull out all that mouldy sealant. I like to use a paintbrush to get rid of the excess. Then you're going to give everything a clean. And I used a mold remover for some extra protection. And then don't forget to fill up your bath before applying sealant. Hemway have created an advanced hybrid polymer sealant that has both toolability and adhesive properties, meaning it's easy to use and ultra strong and durable. Just make sure you cut the nozzle at an angle. Then you're going to need some Windowline and this little tool. Don't panic, start in the corner and pull the sealant slowly across. And then give it a spray with the Windowline. And then use the corner of the tool to smooth it out. Hemway sealant makes it super easy to apply. Hemway's cutting edge technology makes it flexible, tack free and it won't shrink. It's also chemical and stain resistant, solvent free and has low VOCs. Just look how easy it is to apply, and now I'm not a professional so that means you can do it too. It comes in a range of different colours, and with Hemway's advanced technology everything will stay looking fresh and clean. They also do a construction version which I'll tell you more about in my next video. Make sure you save this video for later.